Good evening, students. In today's crash course, that is subject chemistry, we are into lecture 2. So how many days are left for NEET? That is 21 days, because we have NEET on May 7th. Now the topic here, we are going to talk about metallurgy. So in that we also have to see important ores as well as the process of extraction of metals. So first and foremost thing is, this is also simple introduction, wherein we have to know what are the important ores which are present inside the earth crust, so that you can extract our metals. All these ores are present in 8 types. That means they are combined with oxygen and occur as oxide ores. Example we'll discuss later. They combine with halogens and form halide ores, and later they exist as sulfide S2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, then metal with SiO3 2 minus, that is called silicate ores, nitrate ores, carbonate ores, and phosphate ores. So we can find the metals combining with all these, and we have 8 types of ores. So we need to study that. And again, you know the difference between what is a ore, okay, and you know what are gang particles, nothing but matrix, then slag. Later you need to talk about flux, all these things. So we need to discuss in detail about all these things, but basic idea what I am trying to tell here is, you have to study the 8 types of ores here. After studying that, from there, how do you extract the required metal? We will do that in 4 steps. What are the 4 steps? First one, crushing and grinding of ore. Second, the concentration of the ore. You know what is meant by concentration? Removal of earthly impurities. That is done in these 4 methods. First, gravity separation, magnetic separation, froth flotation, and leaching. All these methods we will discuss in detail with the examples. Now third step is extraction of crude metals from the concentrated ore. How this is done? This is done by, first step, converting of ore into metallic oxide form. What are the methods? Calcination or by roasting. Second method, reduction of this particular metallic oxide into free metal. How this reduction is carried out? It can be done by smelting, or reduction by hydrogen, sodium, or by water gas. You know water gas, CO plus H2. Then using aluminium, the process is called Goldsmith aluminothermite process. Then self reduction or auto reduction. Next, using hydrometallurgy, electrolytic reduction. These are the various methods of reduction of metallic oxide to free metal. So 3 steps. Now the last and important step is purification or refining. Now we have a mnemonic for that, nothing but PCl dem VZC. PCl dem VZC. So refining methods, we can have important 9 methods. With the example and procedure we can discuss. So this is about the basic introduction of metallurgy. We can discuss the remaining thing in the next lecture. Thank you so much.